Merry Christmas, everyone! Today, I'm at the Aviation Museum and we're about to fly with Santa. Santa is trading in his reindeer for a vintage Cessna 172, and you can fly with him in his new sleigh over Ottawa for the holidays. Let's go meet Santa!
It's an unforgettable experience as you'll get to enjoy a private 10 to 15 minute flight with up to 3 people.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Big thumbs up!
Inside the Cessna aircraft, you'll soar over the Parliament buildings and see them as you never have before. Best of all, the profits are going to help support the Ottawa Food Bank. Flights with Santa will be available on weekends until December 26.
This isn't your average mall photo with Santa. Come fly with him for some holiday magic. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?